people definitely will see me. I think I go up and I leave. I'm actually freaking out. I'm out here, bro. Let's see if I can have to get down there. I got out, I'm going to the small buildings right now. I think it's you know, I know puppies. You know. They're very cute, but hopefully I'm not going to send them. Right. Small buildings. We're getting closer. One thing though is when I was in there, our camera looked straight I looked straight at the front camera. I looked at the camera looked at me, and it knows me. And now that's not too good because now they're going to just fucking jump in and build and shit. What are they going to do? Cry about it? If they find me, like, it's not a death sentence. But also, like, so many people here, kids and stuff. So I have to make sure, like, I don't get seen. I'm going forwards. I'm going to take a left to those, like, better looking ones. But over there was the entrance. I think we're going to go take a left here. And we'll probably just explore the small ones. Not these bigger ones, sadly. Because these ones, we already explored them. And they look like, nowhere. Looks like wet cement. And it's not wet, but I'm comfortable. All of those ones. Now, I saw dogs. If you don't know something about me, I'm terrified of dogs. Especially stray ones. Especially, well, not especially, but even if they don't do anything, I'm just still freaked out by them. I don't know why. I've got no clue, just a fucking fear inside of me. I did see them in here, so I'm not sure if they'll bark at me or something. Like, in this country, no one really has dogs to guard things unless like it's a house. But I'm just worried if they bark at me because I was at some industrial place before. I'm not sure if they were guard dogs. Probably again months. And I walked very close. And I decided to take a shortcut for some reason. It was like across the field to get to my house. And they just started barking at me. Like, I was so far away though. And then at the end, like, I had to get so much further. So these motherfuckers see me, I'm not sure if they're just gonna bark at me. Not right next to me. I did see someone over there somewhere. But they're looking in another direction. I'll try and go behind this one. Fucking hell. I saw the fucking dog. God, he sees me. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. So the dog is a female baby. So I just saw her licking her puppy, I'm pretty sure. So hopefully it's not like a fucking bear. And if I go near its puppy, it'll just fucking eat me. Sadly they want stairs in that one, so I don't think there's stairs in these. But I think that's it, sadly. Those last ones didn't have stairs, but when these ones start to get better, I'll climb up these because I'll get a beautiful view. I don't know what I'm for. She's pretty close by. I think I'll get a really nice view. I mean, these are not other buildings. Hopefully they get anytime soon. I see them. Actually, last thing, you go up that, the ladder again. You don't know what dangerous. Don't try this at home, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna try and like sit on the edge. I think it'll be fucking epic. But I'll be shitting on bricks. I'm gonna literally just go up there, sit, probably record and take photos at the same time, and then get that off. Because I'm not sure if anybody saw me, but if anybody did, and they see I went down, they'll probably just like leave it alone. But if they see me again, I'm probably gonna be fine. There's some guys in another building, not like the construction ones, just another building. But there's people everywhere. Fucking everywhere. And you literally need to go through the entrance, which is the least populated spot. There's kids everywhere. There's people with balconies. Here I feel I can hide behind a building, try and get into the one that I was going for. Hopefully. I'm not sure if that one's going to work at me somewhere. Try a couple. Let's see my time. I've been standing here for like 5 minutes. I can see the dog on his fucking tail. I don't know why they're there. There's nothing there except I saw some fucking sandwich on the stairs. So fuck you, walkers. I think the dogs are fine. He just fucking looked at me and he immediately walked the other way. I think he's scared of me. Like, obviously most of what he's scared of me, but probably more scared of me because his tracks were headed out. But I think we should back at me. If I can sneak it again, it's probably not gonna happen. Okay, he's not too far away, but he's not too close, I think. Yeah, he's moved away, behind that fucking yellow truck. But I reckon maybe just like walked in there of nothing, but yeah, there he is. I'm too scared of damn dogs. He's going away. Let's get this picture. Get the fuck out of here. When he was shit, this is too scary, boy. I think somebody's looking at me. So I'll just get out of here. It's like I was fucking right there. But other than that, pretty much fine, hopefully. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, it's just shit out myself. I think people saw me definitely. Get the fuck out of here, man. Beautiful, wow, nice work. Make sure they don't like, you know, get angry with me. Now, what is it? Thursday. See ya.